Ahlan wa sahlan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ronaldin. I am 35 years old. I have 4 children, age 15, 12, and twin 6. And I live with my family, my mama and papa. We are 5 siblings. I am the second one. And I worked before in Saudi Arabia from 2013 to 2017. I work also in Qatar from 2021 to 2023. Last year, August 26, 2023, I go back home, and now I'm finding a new job. And hopefully, mom, sir, you can choose me as one of your employee. I can speak English not so good, but I can understand and speak. I can speak Arabic, and I can stand Arabic as well, but not so good. And shukran, thank you.